While others fought with brute force, she repaired the pulsating energy cores of their fallen mechanical allies. One day, the enemy unveiled a new weapon, the Annihilator, a colossal golem that absorbed the energy of every magical attack thrown at it, growing stronger with each blow. It was like looking into the heart of a raging storm. Her training took over. With hands that didn't shake, she began to work, not to destroy, but to repair, to reroute. She wasn't trying to disable the Annihilator, she was trying to reset it. With a series of precise connections and disconnections, she bypassed the corrupted energy absorption module. Instead of drawing power from her alliance's attacks, she rewired its core to feed on its own internal, unstable energy. It was the most complex repair she had ever attempted, performed in the middle of a raging battle. For a moment, nothing happened. The Annihilator continued its rampage. Then its movements became erratic. It shuddered, the raw power it had stolen now turning inward. The chaotic energy, with nowhere to go, began to consume the golem from the inside. A low hum turned into a deafening roar as the Annihilator glowed brighter and brighter, until it finally imploded in a silent, brilliant flash of light, its stolen energy harmlessly dissipating. Silence fell over the battlefield. Everyone, friend and foe alike, stared at the spot where the monstrosity had stood. Then they turned to look at the lone figure of Elara standing with her tools in hand. She hadn't thrown a single punch or cast a single spell. She had repaired a pulse, and in doing so, she reset the entire battlefield. The tide of the war turned that day not because of a great warrior, but because of a healer who understood that sometimes the most powerful act is not to destroy, but to mend. This is a story to remind us that cleverness and unique skills can be more powerful than brute force. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this story, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.